Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making some paper pumpkin alternates. Yes, this is going to be using the January 2024 paper pumpkin kit, Lovely Lavender. And this is what the kit makes originally. I showed you guys that on yesterday. Okay, but before we get started, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So let's start with the February paper pumpkin kit, Sweet Springtime. It makes 9 projects. Early Espresso is the Stampin' Spot color. And you have until the 10th of February to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. And we have a Love of Springs dies add-on. The item number is 164396, and it's $12 for 4 dies. That does coordinate with January, February, and March's paper pumpkin kit. All right, click the link in the description box below to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Mystery boxes. These are the USPS flat rate boxes that I've stuffed with about $200 worth of new, used, all retired Stampin' Up product. I'm asking $25 for each box. Shipping is included. Only can sell in the USA. Email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com if you're interested. Here's our host code for the month of January. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And during celebration, for every $50 increment that you spend in product before shipping and tax, you can earn free product out of our celebration brochure. Okay, that is all of our buzzworthy business. Now let me get started and let you know what we're going to be doing. I'm making 8 projects today, all alternates from this paper pumpkin kit, but I'm going to show them in one project in each video. So I'm going to give you a lot of videos today. So come back in about 30-45 minutes and there'll be another video up. So let me get all the pieces to this card because I've gone ahead and did all the prep work so we can just get right into making our cards. I think I got all the stuff in here. Okay. So this looks like I'm using this for the inside. That's what it looks like to me. So let's get our inside put together because that's going to be the easiest part. And I'll tell you about the products that I'm using as I get there. So this basic white is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're going to layer that on some gorgeous grape. That's 5 by 3 3/4. And this shimmer paper that I'm using, it's called 3-color glimmer specialty paper. It comes in pretty peacock, gorgeous grape, or it might be Highland Heather, and petal pink. So let's put this on here like that. I want these videos to be quick and short, so I did a lot of prep work on all of them ahead of time because I just want to show you the card. And instead of making them ahead of time like I usually do and just demonstrate 1 or 2 cards in the video, I thought, why not make a bunch of quick short videos and show you how I made all the cards. So this one can get put in to the inside of our card. Let's make sure it's not upside down. Okay, so that's inside is done. So now we have a piece of window sheet here. This window sheet is cut at 2.5 by 4 3/4, and we'll get to that in just a moment. But this is from the paper pumpkin kit, and I cut it down to 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And I've gone ahead and put some tear and tape around the edges. But before we get to that, we are going to get to these. We're going to actually just build this up like we did on the paper pumpkin kit, except for I didn't. If you watch my video, I didn't do this part. because I didn't see that it needed to be done. Okay. So I'm gonna glue those two together like that. So they're background. Oh, and I did cut a piece of it off to use on a different card of the greenery. I cut a little branch off to use on another card. So we're gonna get this positioned where we want it, and I think we want it over to this side. So let me release the backing from this tear and tape down here, and a little bit right there. I just wanted to make sure which side I was putting it to. So we're gonna put it over here. Okay, so we can take this tear and tape off, and I might need a little bit more. Didn't really think about this part, because this is where we're going to put our window sheet, because we're making a shaker. Of course, you guys know, as soon as I seen this, I said, oh my goodness, this would be a good shaker. So I know you know I was going to do this. Okay, so now we have that, and we're going to, I should have put some glue dots or something on that. Glue dots, where are you? So this is going to be the longest video out of all of them, because I don't think I'm going to do a full introduction to all the other videos. I'm not thinking I am. I'm not sure. Oh, goodness. So let's put some glue dots on this so that we can make sure our foliage is not flying around everywhere. So I'm just using my take your pick tool to put a couple of glue dots. Put a couple of glue dots on here. Peel off the backings. You guys know I don't do stuff like practice cards. So whatever you see, this is my first time doing it. Okay, so now we got that on. Let's move this stuff out of the way because I have a lot going on. Did I just, oh my goodness, did I just take the, Lord have mercy. I'm looking for the window sheet. I've already adhered it. Okay, I have ribbon here, so I'm assuming I'm, not ribbon, but twine from the kit. So I'm assuming I'm tying it in a bow. Because I think I'm doing this just like I did in the kit. I just making it a window, a shaker. So let's get our stamp in our gorgeous grape ink. And we're going to stamp Happy Valentine's Day on our little paper here from the kit. Just, okay, so now I need some of the, what is this called? Foam adhesive sheets, so we can build up our shaker. So let's get some. Get this put down around our window here. Okay, now I'm just going to put some on the edges here because we need all of this to be popped up. All right, so now that we have this done, let me see. I think I am going to put some loose silver sequins. I think I'm going to put it on the actual shimmer paper. Oh man, I don't want to lose any. I'm going to use quite a bit because that's a big opening. Plus, the more I use, the more I have an excuse to get more. And I can't just place an order for sequins, can I? I'm gonna need to add more things to my order. Okay, that should be good. We just wanted enough to be in there to give it a little shake. Okay, so let's remove the backings from our foam strips. I'm gonna set this on here. Did I tell you the size of the glimmer is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8? I wanted to give a good border around. I didn't put that on quite straight, but that's okay. Let's get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back of our label here. I'm going to use 4, and we're going to, actually I should put this on my card front first, shouldn't I? I think I should. So let's go ahead and glue this down to the card front. And this is going to be a tight fit. So I only gave it a little bit of a border. Oh, that's so pretty, all that sparkle. Okay, then we're going to add our bow, just like this way, and put our Happy Valentine's Day right about there. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is add more bling. So I have the purple fine shimmer gems. They come in Berry Burst, Gorgeous Grape, and Highland Heather. So we're going to use some of these pretty things on here. And I think I'm going to get some Gorgeous Grape and some Highland Heather, some of the lighter purple. Ooh, where did they go? Let's put this one, I'll put it right here on this flower, just like that. Let's clear that up. And here's our first card done, our shaker on some nice glimmer paper. Look at all of that. Ooh, that's so pretty in there. It's cute, right? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.